We're going to run our Bedini SG for the first time, guys. This is the first fire up on it. Man, I'm excited. All right. Ooh, it's a good sign it's cruising. Nice. There we go. Old Man Build successfully got something moving. That's a good thing. Look at that. No catastrophic failure. Runs first time out. That wheel is absolutely flying now. A little bit bent on the rim. That's okay, it was free. All the wiring, everything came out good. Nice, clean, beautiful setup. Man, that's a thing of beauty to watch. Man, I didn't know if it was gonna go or not, if I had all the wiring right. Not exactly some of the best schematics out there, but I did what I could, putting 3 schematics together to make it work, so. Man, all right. Well, we're off and running. We're gonna have to start testing here soon, but Bedini SG, Old Man Build style, it's good to go.